Rikki, now listen, you may have talked Diane into letting you come along to the Gwar show, but don't forget, I'm in charge. So try and control all your poser urges.
Well, how are we gonna get there, Smoke? Mom's working at the dance hall. I'm not gonna ask Steve for a ride.
Steve? Where we're going, we don't need Steve. Hop in the Shed-Rolet and let's roll. Man, I knew something went wrong. You never go Venus to Cockermouth. Try again. What? Yeah, we're definitely in Wisconsin now. Look at this. Cheese.
Jeez. Rikki?
Cousin Frankie? You know you're supposed to call me Lord Farvestar when I have my face paint on, right? Oh, sorry, bro. Oh, you guys must be in town for the Gwar show. Come on in, have a beer. Come on, let's go. Let's go, boys.
Nice clubhouse.
What is this, Thanksgiving?
No! These are the fixings for Bloody Marys.
A true Wisconsin Pack Metal Bloody Mary. Step 1. Crack 'em!
Now, boys, the first thing that you need to consider when making a Bloody Mary is, of course, the glass that you put it in. And I have that glass right here. That'll do.
Yeah. We're making a small one for Rikki because, you know, it's his first Bloody Mary.
He's just a wee little boy.
So we want to make sure he made one nice and easy to drink for. It's the perfect size.
We try to be hospitable up here in the Great White North. Another beer?
Now that we got our vessel ready, first things first, we gotta salt the rim. Not everybody does it, but I like to. It adds another extra layer of texture. We're gonna use True Metal Grilling Zone Bone Dust.
This isn't any normal bone dust. This is a special edition bone dust they made just for us, made out of Chicago Cubs 2021 playoff hopes and dreams. Extra salty.
Now that we've had a successful rim job, the next step to any good Bloody Mary is ice.
Oh yeah. And then we got the perfect ice. This is made from the frozen tears of 10,000 Bears fans.
Those tears have been pretty easy to come by the last 16 years.
Yes. You can get store-bought, but locally sourced works better.
It wouldn't be a true Wisconsin Pack Metal Bloody without a true Wisconsin vodka and bloody mix. This is State Line Distillery vodka and Lutz Bloody Mary mix. How's that Lutz taste in your mouth there, bud?
Oh, that's peppery.
Now that we got the base of our Bloody Mary going, now we add the flavor in the kit. First, we're gonna add a little bit of Worcestershire sauce.
I believe that's pronounced Worcestershire.
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 Put the f***ing sauce in that Mary!
Okay, jeez.
And now we're gonna add a little kick. Thanks to our good friends in the convalescence, we got Doom sauce.
Doom it! Holy shit, that's looking good. We ready to start building yet?
Well, first we gotta stir all these ingredients together so that it has a perfect balance of flavor.
I feel you. Shaken, not stirred. That's what I say.
Next, we build. But first, we crack them. Here, hold this once.
If you live in Wisconsin and you're over 3 years old, you've been making bloodies for your parents and your relatives for as long as you can remember. For you posers out there that don't know, a bloody is basically breakfast, lunch, and a nightcap, all in one drink. So you start with your veggies, because you need something to start with. Then add to start any bloody and nutritious breakfast, bacon. And we got Newski's bacon.
Just like the moon, it's a well-known fact that the core of every Wisconsinite's made of pure Wisconsin cheese. And Lord Farvestar here was happy to make the sacrifice for our Bloody Mary this morning.
It's just cheese.
It's a joke.
Hey, we're having fun, right?
Wisconsin state law says that all food must have at least one Packers helmet worth of cheese in it per serving.
Yes, Ricky. Yes, Ricky. Yes, Ricky.
Yes, Ricky!
Touch my curd.
And of course, to round out any Bloody Mary, you have the pickle spears, mushrooms, olives, and the J. Cutler of the sea, a little shrimp. Place the veggies into your bloody altar and make room for a full bratwurst, because you're gonna need a little snack for later. And when you're in Wisconsin, you gotta go to Beach Your Meats, hardest working meat handlers in the business. Ricky's mom packed him a bag full of pizza rolls, and we made him into a kebab there. Makes a perfect little garnish for a true Wisconsin Pack Metal Bloody Mary, eh?
Oh, boys, that looks good enough to eat to me.
You're right, it looks pretty good, but I'm feeling it's missing one thing.
What's that?
More cheese.
Well, don't worry, my friends. I got just the thing. I caught this little bastard roaming around outside, and I know just where to put him.
Oh, yeah. That's beautiful. That looks good. You got all the food groups covered, too. You got pickles,
Cheese
and bratwurst,
and cheese
and seafood,
and cheese
and pizza rolls.
and cheese. It's all for you, my friend. Drink up. Oh my God. Oh, come on, Ricky. Drink up. Don't be a Bears fan.
You mean don't be a poser? What's the f***ing difference?
Go!